The aim of this guided meditation is to create a distance between you and your thoughts and emotions. You will learn how to watch the mind. You will learn how to watch the thoughts and emotions. And once this happens, that's the end of all psychological suffering. Come back to this guided meditation whenever you feel the mind is overwhelmed with thoughts and emotions. It will be greatly helpful to gain inner clarity and to end psychological suffering. Sit undisturbed for this meditation, please. Your full focus is needed if you want to experience its real benefits. So let's begin. Bring relaxation in the body as much as possible. Allow the feelings to be here. Notice, what do you feel within the body? There can be restlessness of some kind or some unease. Allow that unease to be. Allow your thoughts to wander here and there for this moment. Breathe in deeply. Let the emotion, that is the energy of movement or the energy of motion, be here. Let the emotion be here. Relax. Rest here in whatever you feel right now. Don't force. Relax as much as it's possible for you. If there is an urge to move, move. Now bring your attention gently to your right hand. Close your eyes and feel the right hand within you, in the body. Focus your attention on the right hand and rub your index finger and thumb gently. See how it feels, the finger and the thumb rubbing together. This is called a sense perception. You are perceiving a sense within your body. Notice you are aware of this sense perception, of this feeling. You know that the finger and the thumb is rubbing together. You recognize that you are watching it. You know that it is here. The feeling is here. The sense perception is here. Now redirect your attention to the entire body. Run your attention from the head to the toe in the body, as if you are scanning the body from within. How do you feel inside your body? Maybe there is some pain in a part of the body. Maybe it feels okay or it feels healthy. Be with that feeling for a second, whatever it is. It is of the body. Be with that feeling for the second. Now notice you are aware of the body like you were aware of that the rubbing of the finger with the thumb. You know the body is here. Your attention is in the body. You experience the body. If the attention doesn't stay in the body, that's okay. But you know the body is here. You know the experience of the body is here. Now, like you experience the body, you can experience the mind too. And what is mind? It is all the thoughts and feelings or emotions that are occurring to you, that are appearing in the field of your attention. Now notice, what does the mind say to you? What does the thought say to you? There is a thought, and there is something that it says. Notice, every moment thought says something to you. There is a voice in the head that tells you to do something, or it judges or compares this moment. Be curious to know, what does it say to you right now? What does it say to you right now? See that within you. Maybe it says, I am tired. I feel bad. How long is this meditation going to be? I don't feel good. Or something else. It can say anything right now. It can bring up anything. What is that it says right now? Notice, it always says something in words. You can recognize a thought if it is coming in the form of words. Notice what thought says, what words are here in this moment. There is no rush, no hurry, nothing to figure out. Be relaxed, be still, and see within you. What does the mind say? What emotion is here? That's the recognition of the mind. That's how you watch the mind. You are aware of the thoughts, the movement of the mind in this moment. If not, see it again. What thought is here right now? See it again. Something the mind says right now. What is it? Maybe it is silent when you watch it. But after that moment, it says something, right? What is that? See it. See the mind, the thoughts, the feelings occurring to you right now in this moment. Maybe it is saying something about an event that happened 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago. Notice it is saying that in this moment. Or maybe it is saying something about an event that will happen 5 minutes from now, or it will happen in the evening, in the future. Notice it is saying that in this moment too. It is saying something about the past or the future, but it is saying that thing in this moment. You're aware of what the mind says in this moment. You see the mind in the present moment because you are in the present moment, and you can only see the mind in the present moment. You must be present to see the mind. Mind says something about the past or future. It can be immediate past or distant past. It can be immediate future or distant future. Now, what does the mind, the thoughts, and the feelings within you say in this moment? This is a new moment, and it must be saying something right now. What is that? What is it talking about? The voice in the head is saying something all the time. As much as it is possible, be aware of it by asking, what feeling is here in my mind right now? What thought is here in my mind right now? So, like you experienced your right hand, the rubbing of the finger and the thumb, and like you experienced the entire body while you were scanning the body, In the same way, you can experience the mind too. You now have the skill to watch the mind. Go through this meditation as often as you need and relearn and revise the skill of watching the mind from a distance. Do it again and again to get a mastery over the mind, and you can only get mastery over the mind by watching the mind. That's the liberation from the mind. It's your responsibility to take this practice further in your life and be free from the suffering the mind creates. Once you actually watch the mind, there can't be any suffering because you are aware that you are not the mind. So take this seriously if you want to end suffering and be free. For live guided meditation, weekly satsang link is in the description. Thank you.